Welcome to the in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here, as you can see, we got the ring and notification button, and just to mute your notifications you can swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. By this way you will mute not only your notifications but you will mute also your ringtones. So I suggest you to do this with the second way. You just should scroll a little bit down and then tap here on the sound notification sound section. Tap there. Here, as you can see, we got the notification. Selected the notification, and just you should. I think you guys selected another one, and just to mute your notification sound, you should switch your currently notification sound to the noun, and then just tap auto OK. And as you can see, we have now set it here the sound, and by this way we can mute our notification sound on our SONY Xperia XZ2. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.